My video is about removing the ransomware that is called Tquadit. This particular ransomware is extremely dangerous because it encrypts the files and damages them essentially. Tquadit ransomware adds a special extension to the files after encrypting them. Before the ransomware attack, of course, you can open any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Regretfully, because of the ransomware attack, the files may be encrypted. This is what happens after the ransomware attack. You can see that the special Tquadit extension has been added to the files, and when you try to open the specific file, you get the message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Tquadit extension. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. But believe me, paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files would be restored. So you should not pay the ransom. We recommend you to immediately undertake the measures to remove this ransomware, and we suggest that you do that with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green button to download the software, install it, and start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program begins researching and investigating your computer. You will see the information about all the threats that were revealed during the scan. While the scanning is taking place, you may research certain features of Combo Cleaner. For instance, it has got this feature called anti-ransomware, which allows you to add one or several folders that will be protected against ransomware attack. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. So we strongly advise that you upgrade to premium to delete all these threats altogether, and this way your files will always be protected against ransomware attacks in the future.